When you open the EXO software for the first time, you will be prompted to enter your email and create a username. Once you have done that, click on the Personal tab and verify you are signed in. Then, click on the Home tab. Once you have opened the software, select the Blackhawk 3 from the drop-down menu, then, select Enter Device. Now, select How to pair devices. Then, power on the drone. If you don't know how, see my other video on how to power on the drone. Once it is completely powered up, click Next. Press the power button twice to turn on the controller. Then, connect the controller to your phone using the provided USB cable. If you receive this message, see my other video on how to debug your USB and try again. Once you have successfully connected, you can enter the main interface. Select OK if prompted for permission. If you continue to see a message indicating the USB is not connected, see my other video regarding USB debugging and troubleshooting. Once you can see this message, showing it is now getting GPS signal, you are ready for the first flight setup. See my other video for this routine.